Does Leanbiome really work? I've got some important warnings for you, so stick around and watch this video. Out of thousands of user stories, we picked the 3 most impressive ones from real people who actually bought Leanbiome. Pay close attention to what they say, because it might really help you make the right decision. And beyond that, I'm going to break down all the key information you need to know before you buy. Alert! One crucial thing you should know about Leanbiome is that you need to be careful where you buy it. Leanbiome is only available through the official website. To make things easier for you, I've added the official link down in the video description. Let's read together some real stories from people who used Leanbiome and what results they got. Let's start with Jill Garcia, 53 years from California. I have lost 75 libras. I have finally gotten to the weight that I wanted. It's helped improve my skin. My energy is better. I'm feeling fabulous, and I haven't felt fabulous in over 20 years. Thank you. Now let's see the result of Darlene Pernice, 50 years, from Massachusetts. This has shown me how easy it is to lose weight. I'm down 32 lbs, which is amazing. I have also witnessed better sleep, better digestion, and I feel more energized. This has given me the opportunity to basically get my life back. The next success story is from Jessica Perales, 36 years. From Texas, I have lost 25 pounds. I wake up with energy. I find myself wanting to clean, wanting to do things. I strongly recommend this to all my friends and family. I hope you give it a try and get the same results I got. Now I'm going to answer some of your questions about Leanbiome. How long will it take before I see results? And how much weight can I expect to lose? Of course, everyone is different and will be starting out at different weights. Therefore, some people will inevitably lose more weight than others and achieve it faster. However, most people see the biggest transformation between 3 and 6 months, which supports the clinical studies of the main ingredients. I've tried other weight loss products in the past. Why haven't they worked for me? Very few weight loss products target what more and more scientific research now suggests is the real root factor behind belly fat and unexplained weight gain: an imbalanced gut microbiome. And of course, no other formulas contain the unique combination of our exclusive lean bacteria blend and Green Select phytosome, R, which helps fire up your metabolism, calm hunger and cravings, and decrease fat storage. This is why other fat loss products always fail in the long term, because they don't address the real root factor behind weight gain. Why are Sphyranthus indicus, Garcinia mangostana, and inulin also included in Leanbiome? We're continually looking to improve upon the Leanbiome formula and give our customers even stronger results, so we recently added 2 additional ingredients to the formula. Sphyranthus indicus is a flowering plant native to India, and in combination with Garcinia mangostana, a fruit native to Malaysia and Indonesia, has been clinically shown in multiple studies to reduce fat storage and accelerate fat burning. Do I need to diet or work out while taking Leanbiome? No. Leanbiome targets fat from multiple angles, firing up the metabolism, reducing fat storage, and suppressing hunger and cravings. You can eat as normal and exercise isn't specifically required. Of course, that doesn't mean that you can eat 5,000 calories a day, do absolutely nothing, and still experience quick and significant weight loss. Customers taking Leanbiome typically experience the best results when following a healthy diet and living an active lifestyle. Can I take Leanbiome if I have food allergies? Yes, you can. We wanted to ensure as many people as possible would be able to enjoy the benefits of Leanbiome, so our formula is vegetarian and vegan friendly and free from gluten, sugar, nuts, soy, crustaceans, and dairy. It's also free of GMOs, BPAs, and is guaranteed pure. Can I trust that what's listed on the label is what I'll get in the product? Of course. As a company, we want the best possible results for our customers, so we spare no expense at every stage of the process. Leanbiome is manufactured in the United States in a climate-controlled, FDA-inspected facility that adheres to current good manufacturing practices, CGMP. This ensures the purest product, free from any potential contaminants. Leanbiome is also third-party tested to ensure that what's listed on the label is exactly what you get in the bottle. These lean bacteria species are living organisms. Will they survive the journey to my gut microbiome? Yes. To ensure maximum efficacy, Leanbiome uses patented, cutting-edge DR capsar capsules. The DR stands for delayed release. This helps protect the lean bacteria species and other ingredients in the formula from your stomach acid, so they can reach the gut microbiome alive. In clinical studies, disintegration of the DR capsar capsules started at approximately 50 minutes, compared to just 5 minutes for a typical immediate release capsule. Can I take Leanbiome if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding? Leanbiome should be perfectly safe to consume if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. However, if you are concerned for any reason, please consult with your physician. Does Leanbiome contain caffeine or any other stimulants? No. Leanbiome is caffeine-free and stimulant-free. Green tea contains naturally occurring caffeine, but Green Select Phytosome, AR, is a caffeine-free patented ingredient. However, if you are concerned for any reason, please consult with your physician. Does Leanbiome need to be refrigerated? No refrigeration is needed. However, we recommend that you store the bottles in a cool, dry place to preserve maximum efficacy. Can I get my money back if I'm not happy? Absolutely. The team at Lean for Good is so confident in our product that we're backing your order with our industry-leading 6-month empty bottle guarantee. Put Leanbiome to the test for 180 days, and if you're not head over heels thrilled with the results you get, or you change your mind for any reason at all, simply contact our friendly customer support team via phone or email, details provided with your order. We will refund your entire investment, even if you've used up all the bottles. How many bottles should I order? To help you achieve visible and truly life-changing results and save more money, we've created a special bundle plan consisting of 3 and 6-month packages to go alongside the 1-month starter option. That's because clinical studies of our key ingredients, together with the results of our customers, show the longer you take Leanbiome, the more effective it becomes. That's why we recommend stocking up on the 3 or 6-month option. This will not only save you money, but ensure there's no break in your progress so you can enjoy the best possible results for the long term. Plus, Leanbiome has a 2-year shelf life, so there's no risk in stocking up now. How long will it take to receive my order? Your order will be shipped out right away and will arrive at your door within 5 to 7 business days for US locations. Orders placed outside the US may take 1 to 2 weeks to arrive. How do I receive my bonus gift? 21. Gut-friendly smoothies for faster fat loss will be available to download immediately after you order your supply of Leanbiome. What are the ingredients inside Leanbiome? Here's a complete list of all the research-backed ingredients you get in every serving of Leanbiome. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep helping more people. And just a quick reminder, be careful and don't fall for scams. Leanbiome is only sold on the official website, which we've linked for you in the video description to make things easier.